Howdy folks! Today we're doing a horse's neck with a kick. This is a great what is it of the highball tribe. Originally it was a whiskey drink and Scotch, Irish, rye, or bourbon was used as requested. Then it degenerated into a prohibition drink by leaving out the whiskey. Then it degenerated still further by putting in gin. While listed in some recipe books as a Collins because it's served in a Collins glass, it definitely is not a Collins. First, because it contains no lemon. Second, because it contains no sugar. And third, because it is made with ginger ale and not club soda. Clearly not a Collins. Peel a medium or large lemon in one continuous spiral. Hang the peel in a Collins glass with just enough over the edge of the glass and hanging outside to keep the peel in place. Place 3 or 4 large cubes of ice in the glass and A, for the teetotaler friend, fill with ginger ale. So it's just straight up ginger ale with a lemon peel. That's it. That's a regular horse neck. For others, add 2 to 3 ounces of gin, Scotch, Irish, rye, rum, applejack, or bourbon as desired, and then fill up with ginger ale. This is known as a horse's neck with a kick. This one's funny to me because it's basically just a Kentucky mule or whatever, because you can put whatever liquor in there, just in a highball glass. I used to just call these highballs. We got our orange peel, or lemon peel, whatever. I put a little slit in it so that it can like hook. I don't even know. This is like purely decorative. Decorative? Decorative. That's how we'll say it now. 3, 2, 4. I'll do 4. Because these aren't super big ice cubes. 4. Pop. I mean, it does look kind of nice. Getting fancy with our whiskey here. I'm going to use some Woodford. I usually like this straight because it's very good on its own. 2 jiggers is about 3 ounces, so we'll just stick with that. I actually have some nice Cock and Bull diet ginger ale, so my only calories are coming from the lemon peel. No, the whiskey. And there you have it, folks. Whoop. I'll stir it with the lemon peel. How's that? That's pretty cool. So, this is, you know what it's going to taste like. Delightful, probably.
Like a mule without a lime?
Mm-hmm. But it looks cool.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's great.
It's pretty good.
It's good. So try that, like and subscribe. Sorry for the low flow, it's been a busy summer. Low flow of videos is what I mean. Anyways, these all of them.